Here for the solution. For the step one of the approaches to determine the level of GDP is by measuring the aggregate expenditure. Aggregate expenditure is the total amount of spending in economy. There are four components of aggregate expenditure: consumption spending, C, plant investment spending, I, government purchases, G, net export, and X. In other words, aggregate expenditure is sum of these four components, that is consumption, plant investment, government purchases, and net exports. Their aggregate expenditure is equal to C plus I plus G plus N X. For the step 2, on the other hand, consumption spending is the total spending by households on goods and services, such as automobiles and haircuts. Consumption spending is one of the component of aggregates and expenditure. For the step 3, microeconomic equilibrium occurs when aggregate expenditure equals the sum of consumption spending, plant investment spending, government purchases, and net exports, not consumption spending itself. If GDP were equal to the consumption, the economy would not be in equilibrium. Plant investment plus government purchases plus net exports will always be a positive number. Therefore, if consumption were equal to GDP, aggregate expenditure would have to be greater than GDP. In that case, inventories would be decreasing and GDP would be increasing. GDP would not be in equilibrium. Therefore, consumption spending is the component of aggregate expenditure accounts for the spending of every entity in the economy, that is household, business, government, and foreigners. So this is the complete explanation of the solution. In detail, please go through this. Thank you.